Think about the moment right before something amazing happens. You know, that feeling deep inside like a tiny ball of light getting brighter? That's anticipation, and it's pure magic. It's the energy that bubbles up when you can almost taste your dream coming true. It's more than just excitement, it's a force that pulls you forward. Anticipation is the secret sauce that makes life delicious. It's the thrill of knowing something wonderful is on its way. Are you ready to learn how to harness this power for yourself? Think about it. Anticipation isn't logical. It's not your brain coldly calculating probabilities. It's your heart singing with hope. It's that feeling in your chest, like butterflies about to take flight. It's the smile that spreads across your face for no reason except pure joy. Anticipation is fueled by your emotions, by your deepest desires and beliefs. And when you tap into it, you unleash a powerful force. This energy is contagious. It spreads joy, hope, and excitement to everyone around you. Remember Christmas Eve as a kid? The magic in the air, the twinkling lights, and the warmth of the fireplace? It was a time when the world seemed to slow down, and every moment was filled with wonder and excitement. The night before Christmas was always special, a time when dreams felt just a little bit closer. The anticipation was almost unbearable, the thrill of knowing that something amazing was just around the corner. You could hardly sleep, your mind racing with thoughts of what Santa might bring. The joy of waking up early, rushing to the tree, and seeing those beautifully wrapped presents waiting for you. Waiting for Santa, wondering what was in those boxes under the tree. The excitement of shaking the presents, trying to guess what was inside. The joy of spending time with family, sharing in the magic of the season. These moments are etched in our memories, a reminder of the pure, unfiltered joy of childhood. Or how about planning a vacation? The excitement starts long before you even leave. The weeks leading up to it are filled with dreams and plans. You browse travel blogs, imagining yourself in far-off places. You pack your bags, each item a promise of adventure. The anticipation builds, and you can almost feel the sun on your skin, the sand between your toes. The weeks leading up to it, browsing travel blogs, packing your bags, feeling the sun on your skin in your mind's eye. The excitement of discovering new places, meeting new people, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. The anticipation makes the experience even more special, adding a layer of joy to every moment. And who could forget the thrill of moving into a new home? The excitement of a fresh start, a blank canvas waiting to be filled with your dreams and aspirations, the empty rooms full of possibility, the chance to create a space that truly reflects you. The anticipation of making new memories, of turning a house into a home, the empty rooms full of possibility, the chance to create a space that truly reflects you, the joy of arranging furniture, painting walls, and adding personal touches, the excitement of seeing your vision come to life, of creating a space that feels uniquely yours. The anticipation makes the process even more rewarding, adding a sense of accomplishment to every step. These are just a few examples of how anticipation can make life richer, more vibrant, and full of delicious possibilities. Whether it's the magic of Christmas morning, the excitement of a vacation, or the thrill of moving into a new home, anticipation adds a special kind of joy to our lives. It reminds us to savor the moments leading up to the big events, to appreciate the journey as much as the destination. So embrace the anticipation and let it fill your life with wonder and excitement. Here's the really cool part. You can consciously cultivate anticipation. Imagine standing under a vast, starry sky, feeling the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Just like the stars, your dreams are countless and waiting to be discovered. It's like having a superpower you can use to design your dream life. This superpower is within you, ready to be harnessed. When you tap into it, you become the architect of your own destiny, shaping your future with intention and purpose. Start by getting crystal clear about what you want. Clarity is the first step towards manifestation. Take a moment to reflect deeply. What are your true passions? What ignites your soul? Write these thoughts down in a journal, allowing your dreams to take form on paper. What are your deepest desires? What brings you joy? These questions are the compass guiding you towards your true north. When you identify what truly makes you happy, you set the stage for a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Write it down, paint it, sing it, bring it to life. Express your dreams in any form that resonates with you. Whether it's through art, music, or writing, let your creativity flow. This act of creation is a powerful step in making your dreams tangible. Then, imagine yourself already living that dream. Visualization is a potent tool. Close your eyes and picture yourself in your ideal life. See the details vividly, the sights, the sounds, the feelings. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind for the reality you wish to create. Feel the emotions, the excitement, the gratitude. Emotions are the fuel that powers your dreams. Allow yourself to feel the joy and excitement as if your dreams have already come true. This emotional connection strengthens your resolve and attracts positive energy. Let yourself get swept away by the possibilities. Embrace the thrill of the unknown and the adventure that lies ahead. When you open yourself up to endless possibilities, you invite magic into your life. The more you focus on the positive, the more you feed the energy of anticipation. Positive thinking is a magnet for good things. By consistently focusing on what you want rather than what you lack, you amplify the energy of anticipation and draw your desires closer. And as you do, you create a magnetic force that draws your desires to you. This magnetic force is the law of attraction in action. Your thoughts and emotions become a powerful beacon, attracting opportunities, people, and circumstances that align with your dreams. Embrace this power and watch as your future masterpiece unfolds before your eyes. Section 5. Riding the waves of anticipation. Think of it like surfing. You see the perfect wave coming and you paddle with all your might to catch it. Anticipation is that paddling. It's the energy that propels you forward, that helps you overcome obstacles and stay focused on your goal. Of course, there will be challenges along the way, but when you're fueled by anticipation, you'll find the strength and resilience to ride those waves all the way to shore. Remember, anticipation isn't about ignoring the present moment. It's about infusing it with the joy of what's to come. Section 6. Beyond easier, it's ecstasy. When you live a life filled with anticipation, everyday tasks become infused with meaning. Even mundane chores feel lighter. Imagine looking forward to your morning coffee, your workout, even folding laundry because you know they're all stepping stones towards your dreams. Anticipation transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's the secret to finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. So embrace the power of anticipation and watch as your life becomes a masterpiece of joy, fulfillment, and endless possibilities. Section 7. You are the dream weaver. You are not a bystander in your own life. You are the architect of your destiny, the artist of your reality. Anticipation is your paintbrush, your hammer, your musical instrument. It's the tool you use to create a life you love. Don't be afraid to dream big, to let your imagination run wild. The more you believe in the power of your dreams, the more likely they are to manifest. Remember, the universe loves a dreamer, especially one who is bold enough to anticipate their desires with unwavering faith. Section 8. A universe ready to deliver. The universe is not stingy. It's abundant, overflowing with possibilities. Imagine the vastness of the cosmos, each star a beacon of potential, each galaxy a realm of endless opportunities. The universe is a grand tapestry, woven with threads of infinite possibilities, waiting to be discovered. And it's waiting for you to claim your desires. But here's the catch. You have to believe it's possible. Belief is the foundation upon which dreams are built. Without belief, even the most magnificent dreams remain just that, dreams. But with belief, those dreams can become your reality. You have to open your heart to receive the abundance that's waiting for you. This means letting go of doubts and fears and embracing the idea that you are worthy of all the good things the universe has to offer. It's about aligning your energy with the frequency of abundance. Anticipation is the key that unlocks the door to your dreams. When you anticipate something with joy and excitement, you send a powerful signal to the universe. This signal says, I am ready to receive. It's like turning the key in a lock, opening the door to endless possibilities. It's the signal to the universe that you're ready, willing, and eager to receive. This readiness is not just about wanting something, it's about being prepared to welcome it into your life. It's about creating a space in your heart and mind for your desires to manifest. So get clear on what you want. Feel the excitement of its arrival. Visualize your dreams in vivid detail. See them, feel them, and believe in them with all your heart. The clearer you are about your desires, the more powerfully you can attract them into your life. And watch in amazement as the universe conspires to make it happen. The universe is always working behind the scenes, aligning circumstances, people, and events to bring your desires to fruition. Trust in this process and remain open to the magic that unfolds. Your dreams are within reach, and the universe is ready to deliver. Section 9. Go forth and anticipate. The power of anticipation is real. It's a force that can transform your life, bringing you more joy, fulfillment, and success than you ever thought possible. So go forth and anticipate your dreams with all your heart. Embrace the magic, the excitement, the sheer joy of knowing that something wonderful is on its way. The world is your oyster. Now go out there and claim the life you were destined to live.